In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to create a second account and how to switch account in FC Mobile. Before we proceed, make sure that your account is linked to an EA account, Facebook, or an email account to secure your data and progress in FC Mobile. Now, once you confirm that your account is linked, then let's proceed. You need to clear the data of FC Mobile on your device. You can do that by offloading the app when you're using an iOS device, or you can clear the data on your Android Settings app. In your Settings app, look for the FC Mobile and open it. Then go to the app storage option. Now tap on the clear data option and then confirm it. Once done, open the FC Mobile, then enter your age to continue. Once you're in this kind of screen, then simply create your account by using any of this method. But for now, let's use EA account. Now you'll be redirected to another page, and in here, tap on the Create Account button. Next, enter your valid email address, then tap Send Code button. Now, enter the code sent to your email and complete the rest. Wait for a while to finish creating your account, and then after that, it will open the FC Mobile, and you need to finish the tutorial. Let's move on to how to switch account. You can do that by clearing the data again of the FC Mobile app on your settings. Once you're done clearing the data, then open it again and wait for it to finish loading the game. Now you'll be prompted to enter your birthday, and after that, you can now select a login method to start. Either an EA account or any of these options available. That's about it.